Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be reviewing the new launch from Rem Beauty by Ariana Grande, the At the Borderline Liners set. That's what I decided to pick up because you saved money, you got a lot of products in this launch as a little travel bag to put all your liners in, and you got a limited edition Rem Beauty hair scarf. I kind of recreate this purple look, but also the black and white one I would prefer to do next time. I want to really create that eye look. It looks fun. Or maybe I'll do it as like a cat wing liner. But the set that I chose was the one, because you can get two different colors. Neutral sets that has the brown, the black, the nude, and the white. Or you could get the vibrant set that had the like lilac, the blue, the like silver. But I did go with the more basic tones just because I wanted to make sure I was getting something that I would wear most often. There's little swatches of all four liners. I did also get Far Out. That one didn't come with it. But because I had enough on my cart, I also got a free mascara. So that was fun. We're going to be first going in with the At the Borderline Gel Pencil in the shade Far Out, which is a bright, like this is that purple I've been obsessed with lately. It's like a vibrant lilac, super beautiful. And because it is a more vibrant purple with my nice golden amber eyes, it's really going to enhance the look. Like I said, I started out by recreating this look that she posted on Rem Beauty, and it's just a nice purple graphic eye. Super simple, easy to do, and I feel like kind of wearable for every day if you like that kind of like crazy kind of graphic eye. It's not too much in your face. And I did feel like the gel liners were pretty good, very pigmented, and I do prefer, I think, a felt tip to create graphic eyes, but I was able to figure it out, and it does have a little sharpenable bit at the bottom of the pencils that you can sharpen the liner to a nice fine point, but I just kind of kept it as is, and I was able to create a sharp eye, even though it wasn't like the sharpest of gel pencils, because you're using it wears down easily. The good thing about a kind of gel formula is it's easier to blend, so if I didn't already have my foundation on, I could have taken a little like sharp, clean, angled eyeliner brush and like cleaned up that line a little bit, or used a little Q-tip, and it would blend better than it would a like felt tip that would smear a little bit. But you can see there I was able to like sharpen it up with my fingernail a little bit, and it looks cute. I was a little worried the pigmentation was not going to be there, because sometimes purples are hard to do, especially kind of like a lavender lilac, but it's definitely there, and I really enjoyed it. After I perfected the one eye, I did go on to the other eye. I did have an idea of doing like a separate looks with each product, but I decided to just use all of them in one video, so I just kept amping up the look every single time I got done. So this one is going to just be the lavender graphic eye, and then I go in with the white gel pencil, which I was excited to try. I really wanted the white felt tip liner, but I already have one from ColourPop, and I just don't need like a double. If I can get it on sale, maybe I will, or as a gift or something. But there you have it. Very cute, very pretty. We are going to put the Flourishing mascara on. It's like a little mini. It has like the rubber tip kind of brushes that I do enjoy, and I was actually quite impressed with it. It lifted my dinky little lashes pretty well and added some length. I should have gotten all the lash glue out of my lashes, because I feel like it would have worked even better, but it didn't flake and it didn't smear onto my lower lash throughout the day, and that's always a good sign for a long-lasting mascara. I haven't cried in it yet, so I don't know if it's extremely waterproof, but I'm sure I'll be crying this week, so more to come. I did get it on my eyelid there, and a hot tip: if you let it dry, you can just flick that little black mascara speck off your eyelid really easily, and that's what I did. There, that's my like deranged looking eyelash test, and I feel like it looks pretty cute. Not bad. We love these little lashes. I got them from LA Colors, I believe at Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure, but I thought they looked pretty similar to the Run Beauty ones that I used to have, but I wore them until they died and went to the makeup graveyard. But very pretty. I was loving this look. Very simple, very retro 60s without being like too in your face. But now we are going to amp it up a little bit and add that gel cream pencil in knee socks, which is a nice bright white, which brought me back. I used to wear knee socks. I know I wasn't the only one. Back in middle school, we would like all wear those like Sophie shorts and the knee socks and a little tank top at night, and we thought we were like the coolest looking thing ever. But yeah, it reminded me of that, the name. But like it is, it's like a nice white gel pencil. I was very pleased with the pigmentation on that because whites are, I feel like, kind of hard to do in a nice bright formula. And I just put that in the inner bit of the graphic eye, and I thought it added a nice pop to the purple. Very cute, very 60s. Just read that these gel pencils are waterproof, so that's really nice. If you ever got caught in the rain or you were crying, they would stick on. There's knee socks and far out. Very cute duo. I will be doing this again. Okay, we wanted to vamp it up a little bit with the At the Borderline eyeliner marker, and they brought out actually 4 new shades. I'm wrong on that. They have a chocolate brown, a silver, a navy, and a white, and I got the brown in the set, and it's called Teddy, which is very cute. It's a nice brown, and it's not like a black brown, it's like a brown brown, which I appreciate because I've been really enjoying those lately. I'd be curious to try Starlit, which is the silver, Foxy, which is the navy blue, and then obviously there's knee socks in the liquid version as well, but I'll just stick with this for now. And I decided to add more to the graphic eye and just take Teddy a little bit over that purple into the same graphic shape and create that little look. And I will say it went super well over the gel pencil for being a liquid. Sometimes the formulas will not mix and it'll get streaky and weird, but you couldn't even tell that there's purple under there. It looks really pretty. It layered really well, and I thought this looked interesting. It really reminded me of the scarf that it got sent with it, which I'm still trying to decide what I'll be doing with that. Maybe product background shots. Maybe I'll wear it around my neck, or maybe try it in my hair. I've not really ever done that, so I feel like it could be a cute look. Again, it's a waterproof, inky, rich vegan formula. It has an ultra precise tip with the felt marker, which I prefer. I already have the black version of this, and it's one of my top few eyeliners. It's either that one or it's the Lisa Eldridge Kitten Flick eyeliner that I go in between. I have no issues with either of those. No transfer, no weird, like, I don't know. There's just some eyeliners do weird things on my eyelids, and those two are standstills, never disappointing me. So I already knew I was gonna love the brown. Since it is such a pigmented color, I did go back in with the purple and a little bit of the white just to add those 2 tones back in, just to vamp them up, brighten them, make them look a little bit more crisp. And I really enjoyed that look. I mean, look, it's like perfectly matched to the scarf. Whoever designed this knew what they were doing. I really appreciate when the colors match the packaging and aren't off. Next, we're going to take the gel pencil in the shade Shag, which online I feel like it looked like a shimmery orange, but it's definitely like a nude, like, skin color for like my paleness. These are like definitely good shades to put in your waterline to brighten up those eyes. I show you a little before and after. It just makes you look more awake, which is really nice. I don't do this enough, and my eyes are obviously very pink. But I also use this on my brow bone and in my inner corner just to brighten it a little bit because again, having not been sleeping well, but also it just like gets rid of any of that pigmentation that is a little bit more red. But it looks nice and brightening. There is Shag. I feel like if you have a darker skin tone, that's gonna look like a nice creamy, like after you put creamer and coffee color, which would look stunning. Next, we're taking Bardot, which is the black, And I just did some simple little like faux 60s lashes with this. I didn't do anything too crazy. It's a nice black. And I do want to try it as like a smoky black liner, but for this it worked perfect, and it's still on my lash line and it hasn't smudged, which is nice. Very 60s. I haven't done a look like this in a while, and I feel like a little doll baby. Very cute. I was impressed with myself because I had not practiced this before. Not that I ever really practice, I just really wing it and like hope that for the best that it's gonna come out. This was me trying to do like a cool transition, like the Rem Beauty curtain came up, but it didn't really align. But anyways, I hope you have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and these videos helped you out if you were looking at one of the products and wanted to know what they looked like. But bye! Also, I doubt Rem Beauty is watching this, but if you ever have another like launch party, you have to do it at the TWA airport hotel, because it is exactly Ariana's vibes, and that would be amazing.